We now in the welding. Wrong page. In the welding, here it says the welding. Run this degree. Okay, check it. Okay, and we first turn off the welding power. We off power. Then we set the zero. Okay. We can check the film off. Okay. No center Y. And wrong page. And we only test this. Here is on. Right? Because we turn off the welding power. If here is turn on, then run here. No go. We check it. Okay. We start down because no go on, right? If you want to in welding, turn off the machine. Then must check this fraction. We press the e-stop. Then operate. Then we choose the fraction. Here you choose off. Then master here choose off. The no welding, only test welding. Then here choose test, set as a 0. Must choose the start. Go down. Then here we go. Right? Here, this fraction only check the welding power working. If no working, the program not go. Right? He must choose the no welding. In welding model, also turn off the machine, turn off the welding power. Here check the current and check the plus. Check must choose off. Then press the start. Okay. We stop. Then we turn on the change the on the oscillator the function. We start again. If we are here, we not set a 0. We can see it. He will let you know. Must press the set a 0. Then press the start. You can see it. Okay. Right. We next turn on the machine. We run the welding premise and we run this premise welding. Okay. We next do it.